Hi everyone, today I'm removing this door panel so you can be able to access it, and I'm going to go over instructions on how to do it. And the reason why I'm doing it is because I installed pre-cut tent, and the pre-cut tent is it has markings and whatnot on it, so unfortunately, and bubbling. Unfortunately, I have to remove it and reinstall it. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more videos with notification bell, and let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to be able to grab one of these flat screwdrivers, and when you go over here, you want to be able to insert it right there, and you want to be able to pop it out. So this is going to be difficult with one hand, but there you go. You pop it out, you're going to see a screw right there. Okay, but before you unscrew that, you want to be able to unscrew this screw right there, right below that. And you'll need a Phillips screwdriver for that. Once you remove that screw, then you remove that screw, and then you have to prop it open with the same flathead screwdriver right below over here. You're gonna see my finger is right below the side of the speaker right there. You just pop this in and pop it out, and then you're gonna have to go all the way around the door panel and popping it, and then you lift it up. When you lift it up, it will provide you the ability to go right in there. So let's jump right into it so I can show you guys. All right, one important thing to do after you do all that is before you pop it out and lift it up, you want to be able to remove this item right here, which is the tweakers, okay? And the tweaker items, all you have to do is use that same flathead, the small flathead screwdriver, and propping it over here in this area. And the reason why is because of the clips. So let me go ahead and put it back over here. You can see it. You want to put it right there, that flathead screwdriver, and then work your way around right in that area, gently and slowly. And you can see right there, it just pops off, and you can then lift it right after that, which I'll show you right now. All right, once you've done that, you can remove the door actuator from the door panel. You can set it down on the ground a little bit. And you can see right here we have full access to the window. What I'm going to do right here is lift this up. This is the piece right here that kind of protects the window from hitting the metal, and you just kind of slide it right off very easily, and then there you go. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to remove this rubber gasket. And as you can see right here, I've placed the window down to remove the rubber gasket, and I want to remove it right on this side. This is easier to remove. You can take it off this side, but I found it easier on the right hand side. And you'll see right here, just kind of pull it out, and it's pretty hard to do with one hand, but let me go ahead and show you. All right, so you can see right there the whole rubber gasket came out, and what I want to do is I want to easily kind of pry it out from the window seal. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing this is I want to remove this tent from the window. So let me go ahead and this one you gotta kind of pull it, but you gotta lift it up a little bit too. There we go, and that's it with that. So